What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Money in Minecraft with Forge. And today we are going to make our own block, and in the next episode I'm going to show you how to generate it through the world. So wait for next episode if you're looking for that. So let's get started. And in here in the main class, let me just expand this here. There we go. And put right here, under here, we're going to do public static block. I'll make mine rupee or and semicolon that off. And let me just take a look at my there we go. Alright, yeah, take a look at my source code over here. And what we're going to do here is we're going to do private void add blocks. That's what I'm gonna make it, add blocks, and then put that right there. So now that we have that, we have to load that here. Do add blocks. Make sure you put that on top right before add names, cause it reads it like a script, or like how we would read paper. So you have to initialize it before you give it a name. So, alright, where is that? Okay, so I got my load blocks. Okay. So now, under our blocks, we got, we're gonna do rupee or space equals space, or whatever we call this right here. Space equals space. New. I'm gonna do, let's see. Or tut or, and then in here we're gonna do our ID. Make this one a lot lower. I'm gonna make this one 500, and then do material. You might have to import that first. Oops, material dot. I'm gonna make mine stone material dot. Where is it? Stone. Is that not there? Okay. Apparently stone. Oh, what did I make it before? Material dot stone. Stone. Let me just look through this. There we go. Okay. So that rock. That's what it's called. Rock. Alright, I knew it. Alright, where is it? There it is right there. Rock. Material dot rock. I think we already imported that. So, and then right after here, what we're going to do is we're going to do, comma, and then this will be the path to our texture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make mine tut slash block, and then in here I'll do rupee or. You don't want to put PNG or anything like that. Then we're going to do dot set unlocalized localized name, and in here we're going to put rupee or. Okay, that looks weird. And then we're going to do dot set hardness, and I'm going to make mine just about the same as I did my other ones. It's going to be 4.0f. You got to put the f because it's a float value. So, and then we're going to do dot set resistance, and make this what did I put mine? I put mine 50.0f. And then after that we're going to do dot set step sound, and in there we're going to do block dot, and you should see come up under here dot here it is, sound stone footstep, and there we go. And then bracket that off, or not bracket, semicolon, and you should get an error over here. And what we're going to do is we're going to do create class tut or, and inside the tut or we're going to make this extends block. Did I do that in here? Yeah, okay. Wait a minute. So extends block. We got to import block first. Oops, that's not the block I want. Okay. We want net.minecraft.block, and then we want yeah, there we go. Then we're gonna public class. We gotta add constructor, and in here we're gonna do int ID, and here what we're gonna do is material and string location, and there we go. And we don't have to import material or anything. And then in here, oops, we gotta make private string location. I'm not gonna make this L, and you have to capitalize string. I completely forgot about that. And then down here, what we're gonna do is okay, this dot location space equals space location, and this dot set creative tab. Set creative tab. I'll do, let's see, tutorial main dot, oops, dot, where is it? Where's my did I ever make that? I should have the there it is, tut m dot tut m. That should come up right. Yep. Alright, so and then down here what we're gonna do at override, and you're gonna have to import, oh wait, never mind, okay, never mind, forget about that. Public void register icons nope, okay, icon register icon reg. Okay, there we go. And then open bracket, close bracket. Oops, okay, I already did that. Then do block icon space equals space icon reg dot register icon, and then inside here we're gonna do location, and there we go. There's the that should be good, I think. I don't see anything I did wrong. Wait a minute, let me check this. Okay, yeah, and here we gotta change super ID. We're gonna do ID, gotta change that to ID, and then that to just material, and save it all. Now I forgot the comment or comma next to that. That was a stupid error. Sorry if you hear that in the background. This is my dog barking. And we just created our block. So what I'm gonna do now is, here we go. Okay, we're gonna add the harvest level. So I'm gonna create a private void harvest level, and inside the harvest level I'm going to create I'm going to do here, I'll just give you guys the codes here. 0 is wood, 2 is 1 is stone, 2 is iron, and 3 is diamond. Now if you want it to be able to get harvested with gold, I think is equivalent to stone, if I'm thinking right. But so if you want to do that, if you want to make it be able to get harvested with stone or gold pickaxe, you need to set it to 1. So I'm gonna do a Minecraft forge dot get block harvest level, and then in here we'll do rupee ore, and in the metadata area we're gonna put pickaxe, and in the tool class I'm gonna make mine get harvested with an iron, so I'm gonna put 2, and then you should be good there. I don't know why that's, oh, dot, you want to put it dot set block harvest level, not dot get block. Okay, my bad. But and then in here we're gonna do harvest level, and there we go. And then let's do, let me check where I imported that. Register blocks was after the load blocks. Okay. And then down here we're going to do register blocks. Register blocks with an S. Create method. Okay, I'm going to just do, nope, take this out. Don't even try and do that. But down here next to private void, I'm just going to, wait a minute, let me just clean this up a little bit. And minimize down these so that doesn't get in the way. And there we go. And in here, up here, we're gonna do a private void. Now, if you get an error that says I can't access this, then you might have to change it to public. That's up to you. It doesn't really matter. It's kind of up to you. I don't know if there's any like frame rate or anything issues. But right here, we're gonna do register blocks. And inside this, we're gonna do a game registry. Oh, you might have to import that. No, okay. Dot register block. You might have to. Where's that? There it is. Dot register block. And I'm going to do. Let me just find it over here. Yep. Okay. There we go. Let's do rupee or, and then this is here. Okay. I think you do the name of your, okay, yeah, your mod ID. You're gonna put your mod ID here. So mine is going to be flame G plus rupee or dot get unlocalized name 2. I'm just gonna type that. Get unlocalized name 2, and then that should be good. Save that. Now we still have another step under the language registry. We still gotta do that. The add names. We gotta do language registry dot add name rupee or and there you go. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up, oh boy, okay, I just opened up Google Chrome, close out of that. What we're gonna do now is open up GIMP, and once GIMP is open, we're gonna create our texture file for the ore. Now I'm just gonna pause the video until GIMP opens, and what? Never mind. All right, look at that, it just opened. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna open up a previous image that, here it is, texture pack. I have all the blocks and stuff right here, so I'm just gonna get a ore, or I'll use the diamond. Why is diamond like that? Oh, I'll just use the gold ore to be because it's kind of shiny. So I'm just gonna colorize it. Oh no, okay. Use the hue saturation tool and change the yellows to dark blue. I need the dark blue, darkish blue. And there we go. That looks about good. I'm just gonna export that to my desktop. I'm gonna make it or rupee. Export it. Oh, export and close out of GIMP. There we go. There we go. And it should be on our desktop now. Where is it? There it is. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the Forge folder and go into MCP source Minecraft. Let me just open up my other one, and I'm gonna make a new folder here called mods. Go into that mods folder and create a new one called tut. I'm gonna call mine tut, and inside there we're gonna do where is it? Alright, new folder. Oops. New folder. Call this one blocks. And inside there we're gonna go new textures. And let me just look over this, and I will be right back with you in a second. Alright, so what you're going to do here is you're going to take your textures and put in the ore right there. And let's see, I called mine tut in blocks. Now what you're going to do up here, where's the blocks? Add blocks. Yep, there we go, blocks. And I have to rename this to ore rupee. And you should be finished. Now I'm just gonna compile it, make sure no errors come up. If they do, I'll make sure to fix them, so that way you guys don't get confused. And it should be still initializing. Yep, there we go right there. Okay, expand this. So wait, okay, so it's searching the jar, or searching the mods folder for mods. We don't have any because we still have to compile it and stuff and export it in order for it to do that. It should, okay, yeah, okay, there we go. We shouldn't see fail to load texture. We shouldn't see that anywhere. Okay, but that file does not exist. That's not good. Wait, textures, blocks, tut blocks, textures. Oh, I still have to make a, that's why. Okay, well that's a simple fix. I forgot to do that. And here we have to make a blocks folder, blocks, and bring that in there. And now we should be able to compile it, or debug it, per se. Yeah, compiling it doesn't, compiling it is the final process. Although it does compile, it's just temporary compiling, I guess. But now we should, alright, what the heck is going on now? Blocks. Did I miss it? Alright, so mods, tut, blocks. Let me just copy this. Copy. Mods, tut, blocks, textures, blocks, or rupee PNG. Alright, so, but that file does not exist. I'm just gonna look it in the game just in case it actually does exist, and for some reason it's just not outputting it correctly. Nope, but as you can see, it is there. I'll be right back with you guys once I figure out what the issue is. Alright, so I don't really know what the issue was, but I just renamed them to rupee ore instead of ore rupee, and it seemed to fix it for some odd reason. I don't really know why, but so yeah, once you rename it to ore something, I guess there's an issue calling ore or rupee or something like that. I'm not sure, but now you can run it, and alright, so now you should be able to run it, and you should see your block texture. There it is right there. Yeah, and you should see it in the inventory as well. So there we go. There's our ore, or a block, I guess, and you guys should be all finished. So thank you guys for watching. Please rate, like, and subscribe if you want more videos. I really enjoy doing these, and see you guys later.
Love is you.